Hi beautiful queen, how you all doing? Welcome back. I hope you guys are getting ready for summer. This summer is going to be banger. When you guys have me, when you guys have a baby girl in the building, no need of you stressing, no need of you thinking of what you're going to rock this summer. I got you, baby. Do you want low? Do you want to go on low cut? Comments down below, and you can also check my previous video. As you can see the evidence, see the beauty. So you want short, you want to go on low cut, comment down below. I'll bring the more beautiful low cut hairstyle, low cut you're going to rock this summer. You want hairstyle? Do you want a particular hairstyle you have on your mind? Comment it down below. Your baby girl got you. I'll bring it for you, okay? This is so beautiful, as you can see, as usual. This is so beautiful. I love it. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well by subscribing. It's so free. Do well subscribing, share, and comment, and like my video. God bless you for doing that. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it. Yeah, of course. So neat and beautiful, right? Guys, thank you for people that subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all. God bless you all, because my subscribers are growing now. Our community, we are growing. We are getting there. Thank you so much, guys. Beautiful. Guys, you see that? Thank you all for watching. See you guys next time. Much love. Thank you all.
Just